Born October 8, 1941, in segregated Greenville, South Carolina, Jesse Louis Burns grew up in poverty and prejudice. Raised by a single mother, he refused to accept the limits placed on him. He excelled academically and athletically, graduated from North Carolina A&T in 1964, and dedicated his life to justice till he became a key protégé of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., marching in Selma, leading Operation Breadbasket for economic justice, and standing beside King in Memphis on the night of his 1968 assassination. That loss ignited Jackson's lifelong mission. He mentored the next wave of activists, including a young Al Sharpton. As a Baptist minister, he founded Operation Push in 1971 to fight for jobs, education, and fairness. He negotiated hostage releases in Syria, Kuwait, and elsewhere, showing one voice could move mountains. In 1984 and 1988, Reverend Jesse Jackson ran for president, the first African American with a truly competitive national campaign. He won millions of votes, carried states, and built the Rainbow Coalition, uniting black, brown, white, poor, working class, women, and LGBTQ+ communities. He declared, "Our nation is a rainbow, red, yellow, brown, black, and white, and we're all precious in God's sight." He broke barriers and inspired Barack Obama, whose "Hope and Change" echoed Jackson's "Keep Hope Alive." Jackson endorsed Obama in 2007. Obama later said, "We stood on his shoulders." Michelle Obama gained early organizing experience at the Jacksons' table. Despite occasional tensions, their bond reflected Jackson's bridge-building legacy. Jackson allied with leaders like Bill Clinton, challenged injustice, and mentored generations. Even through health struggles with progressive supranuclear palsy, he kept registering voters and lifting the forgotten. On February 17, 2026, at age 84, Reverend Jesse Jackson passed peacefully in Chicago. Tributes from Obama, a true giant, Clinton, Biden, and others honored his impact. Jesse showed us, suffering builds character. Character builds faith. Faith endures. He taught, "If my mind can conceive it, and my heart can believe it, then I know I can achieve it." Never look down on anybody unless you're helping them up. And always, keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. From King's marches to Obama's White House, he bridged generations, proving relentless justice work inspires coalitions and change. Wherever you face challenges, remember Jesse Jackson. Rise. Unite. Mentor others. Fight for the forgotten. Dream bigger. Our time is now. Keep hope alive. In memory of Reverend Jesse Louis Jackson, 1941 to 2026. Protégé of Dr. King, rainbow builder, inspiration to Obama and beyond. Keep hope alive.